Stormy day on Tuesday in Minnesota, in Minneapolis, specifically in this particular video, showing the rain sweeping across the rooftops. And it was so windy that we actually had trees toppled because of it, and that rain so intense that people were driving in flooded streets. Yeah, that's never a good idea. Turn around, don't drown, right? If you've got the wrong vehicle, you're not going anywhere. Our risk for severe weather continues on Thursday, almost in the same places. So again, the Midwest and the upper Midwest, we're seeing most of our severe weather on Thursday. Today it was Nebraska. 7 reports of tornadoes in that state and 1 in Colorado. Here's our culprit. We've got this area of low pressure draping all the way back. There's our cold front, there's our warm front. In the center of the low, we're getting our active weather. Temperatures, that's going to be the big story in the south. How hot it's about to get. It's already hot. 98 degrees in Oklahoma City on Thursday, 91 in Miami. Temperatures expected to get into the triple digits on the weekend. Meanwhile, contrast that with what's going on in Seattle. Temperatures in the 60s there, cool upper level low, filtering in that cooler than average weather, and we get the rain on top of that, so that'll keep your temperatures down. But let's talk a little bit about the heat again. With that heat, we get the risk of thunderstorms, daytime heating, and temperatures are about to rise this weekend into the triple digits as mentioned. So yes, this is going to be a bona fide heat wave, and remember, cars heat up even faster. So if it's 80 degrees outside and you're in that car for 10 minutes, 99 is what it shoots up to, and then obviously higher from there. An hour, it's 123 Fahrenheit. Don't leave your kids or your pets in the car in that kind of heat or ever. And we've got our hurricanes that have developed. 1 tropical storm, 1 hurricane. What about the eye wall? Let's take a look at science behind the weather.
When we talk hurricane season, we often think strong winds and heavy rain, right? Well, what if I could tell you that there's actually an area of the storm that has little to no activity at all? It's called the eye. But the eye wall, that's a very different story. Let me show you what I mean. We have air at the base of the storm that surrounds a hurricane, and it starts converging or spiraling into the storm. And it can't go down because that's the ocean. So it must go up, and it rises through the upper levels of our atmosphere and spreads aloft. And it's along this eye wall that we have some of the most powerful thunderstorms and the most damage done. Now, not every hurricane has a real well-defined eye wall. Sometimes they're not as vertically stacked as this one you see here. Perhaps there's some upper-level wind shear that'll blow off the tops of our thunderstorms. But if atmospheric conditions come together just right, well then all of that fuel from the ocean is being sucked up into the hurricane, some of the most powerful storms on Earth.